Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Well, I told him I had passion for it, so I liked it. Then he said I shouldn't worry, that it would help me process whatever I want. But then, I don't know, but I feel he's actually not going to be able to process whatever is personal for me anymore. And now I have to do it all by myself. Honestly, I don't know what to say. I just want to say that I never had the time to tell him how much I actually do love him. I never had that time. But I want to tell him that I love you so much from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you very much. Come first before you go. See this daddy here, Ambassador Said Balogo. Please come, sir. She said she wants to go into Nollywood. That's all.
It's okay. She's there. That was the script we're trying to write before the mandate, and she's going to do it. I don't want to talk to her.
You are my next movie.
Don't worry, sweetheart. You are taking over from Daddy. Don't worry. And you will achieve your dreams in Jesus' name. God bless you. Put your hands together for them, ladies and gentlemen.
Blessed Jesus, ibi tí a kò ní yára wá, a ó ríra wá, a ó yọ̀ mọ́ra wá, Jésù ni ṣe alága wa. Ṣé gbogbo wa ti drop candles wa? Àbúrò drop our candles.
Have you all dropped our candles? I hope we have all dropped our candles.
Gbenga Akintunde Boka, your widow, your children, the great organization that you belong to, the Golden Movie Ambassadors, we are here today gathered to bid you eternal farewell. Your life was an example. You lived that life until Friday. It was extinguished. Thursday, January 3rd, that sunset has done. Today, we are gathered to lit up the candle. And I know that as we have done this solemn procession, that wherever you are, you will also be lifted. You will continue to live in our unconsciousness. And to live in the unconsciousness of the people is to live forever. All of us will say, Gbenga Akintunde lives. Since he died,